In a world where staying powered is more important than ever, the Anker SOLIX F3000 is a smart, compact solution designed to keep your essential zones running, whether that's your kitchen, home office, or medical equipment. Built for flexibility, fast charging, and expandability, it's a standout choice for those who want backup without overbuilding. Big thanks to Anker for sending this over. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Anker SOLIX F3000 portable power station, AC charging cable, high voltage solar charging cable, and product literature. The F3000 delivers 3 kilowatt hours of capacity and up to 3,600 watts of pass-through charging, allowing you to recharge with the 120-volt generator while continuing to run key appliances. It also supports up to 2,400 watts of dual solar input through 2 MPPT ports, making solar setup quicker and more efficient. Thanks to its ultra-low idle consumption, the unit can sit in standby for up to 125 hours. And when in use, it can power a 190-watt fridge for up to 42 hours, making it one of the most efficient options for emergency-ready scenarios. Need more capacity? You can expand the F3000 up to 24 kilowatt hours using parallel battery configurations. And if you pair 2 units with the Anker SOLIX double voltage hub, you can unlock 240-volt output and up to 7,200 watts of total power, enough to support high-demand appliances or even light home backup. For those looking to stretch their energy budget even further, add the Anker SOLIX bi-directional inlet box and smart meter, sold separately, to store free solar or off-peak electricity and reduce your monthly energy bills. Whether you're preparing for outages, building an off-grid kit, or just looking for a smarter way to manage power, the Anker SOLIX F3000 delivers reliable energy efficiently, intelligently, and on your terms.